All right, here we go. Baudette Blizzard, first breeze back after his excellent second place finish up at Indiana Grand, up in the Hoosier State. Our Louisiana bred son of the immortal Icebox, starting on its half-mile breeze here, picking up some random company. We'll see what happens with this. Surrounded by horses right now. Hello. This is our first breeze back, so we kind of wanted to go just an easy, 49, 50, somewhere in that neighborhood, but oh well. Here we go, finishing up. This is going to be a little quick. And to the line. If we hadn't had that company, we probably would have had a little bit easier peasier work, which was kind of what we were looking for here, but oh well. Still did well.